Welcome to this tutorial on using the SUNY Empire Library's Interlibrary Loan Service. This free service allows all current students, faculty, and staff to request access to any articles, single book chapters, or conference papers not available in the library's collections. Just note, entire books cannot be requested. When you encounter an article that isn't available in full text, the best way to try and get access to it is to use OneSearch, the search box in the upper left of the library homepage. For example, I went ahead and did a search on nursing and staffing. And I'm now on the results page. And the sixth result is something I want to get access to. However, it's not available in the library. And I can tell this because it has a Get It link underneath it instead of Go to Full Text or some other full text or PDF link. So to get started to request this item, what I need to do first is make sure I'm signed in to OneSearch itself. And I can do that one of two ways. If I see a yellow stripe above the first result, I can click the sign in there, or I can always click in the top right in the blue area, the sign in button. And you simply enter in your ESC username and password to access. Once you do that, you can go back to the result that you want to access. Click the Get It link. And then on the next page, click the How to Get It Request from Another Library via Interlibrary Loan link right there. It may ask you then to log in again, which is okay. You just enter your Empire State credentials again. And then you should see a Interlibrary Loan request form, in this case a journal article request form, and it should already be filled out with the details of the item that I'm requesting. So I can then scroll down to the bottom of that page, and in the lower left, hit the Submit Request button located there. Now you can do the same thing using most of the library's discipline-specific search tools as well. In those cases, you might see a link that says find full text or find it or something similar to that, and that'll take you into OneSearch. Now, if you do a search in OneSearch for a specific item and it doesn't come up at all, you can still request that item. To do that, what you need to do is go back to the library homepage, and in the lower left, there is a link that says Interlibrary Loan. Click that, and then click the Login link. And again, using your Empire State College username and password. If necessary, you enter that. And then in the blue stripe near the top, you click on the New Request link. And then you select the type of item that you want to request, either a journal article, book chapter, or conference paper. And then it'll take you to a blank request form. And you can then copy and paste or manually type in the details of the item that you want to request. And that is it. Now, interlibrary loan requests generally take about 48 hours to fulfill, give or take a day or two. But keep in mind, entire books, most rare or archival materials, and multimedia cannot be requested through this service. There is also no guarantee your request can be completed. Sometimes, although rare, an item just isn't available within the SUNY Interlibrary Loan System. And that's it. Thank you for watching.